I was walking all alone, with the wind and time I'd known. Then I saw you standing there, like a whisper.
Welcome to Parliament House in Canberra, the political heart of Australia. Today, we're starting just outside after parking nearby and taking a short walk to the main entrance. As we approach, notice the grand design of the forecourt and the famous stainless steel flag mast towering above. Stepping inside, we're greeted by stunning modern architecture, spacious marble halls, impressive artwork, and a calm yet powerful atmosphere. From here, visitors can explore exhibition areas, see where Australia's laws are debated, and even enjoy panoramic views of Canberra from the grass-covered roof. If you're planning a trip to the nation's capital, Parliament House is a must-see landmark where history and modern Australia meet.
The world stood still, the silence broke, the void did fill of all the roads that I walked through. I was just searching for you. Maybe hearts are meant to roam, just to find their way back home. And now I know what's real and true, that home is anywhere with you. When I found you, the light came in, a brand new song beneath my skin, of all the dreams that never flew. They all make sense now I found you. Yes, all my life led me to this one sweet moment, finding you. Seasons pass, the leaves will fall, mountains crumble, rivers stall. But one thing never waits away, the way I love you every day. You're my always, my only song, right where my heart's belonged all along. Through changing skies and winding ways, you're my forever, my always. The moon may dim, the stars may flee, but you're still everything to me. Even in silence, your name stays, a steady light that never sways. The moon may dim, the stars may flee, compares at all. You're not just love, you're every part. The rhythm written in my heart. You're my always, my steady light, holding me close through darkest night. When everything else drifts away, you're still my always, come what may.
Woke up to the morning light. Your smile makes everything feel right. Coffee brews, the world is still. In your arms, I've had my fill. I don't need 1,000 dreams. You're enough, you're everything to me. With you I'm home, I'm safe, I'm free. No place I'd rather be. Every laugh, each silent tear feels perfect when you're near. I'm a lucky soul the world can see. You're the reason I believe. With you I'm a happy me. We walk through simple, quiet days, turning moments into praise. Your hand in mine, no need to roam. Where you are is where I call home. Even storms don't make me fall.